Welcome back guys, this is Shrikant. Last video we talked about the shared data sources and the shared data set. In this video I am going to create the data set or the data sources from the shared one. So how could I do that? So if you open your first RDL, you will see the multiple folder like structure here. So you need to see there is a folder called as a data sources. So just add the you just do a right click and click on add data sources. Here we have an option that do you want to create a data source report specific, or you want to use the earlier one. I want to use the shared data source. So here is an option called I use shared data sources, and here it will list down all the data sources which are basically present or the part of the data sources, shared data sources. So I'll simply say I want to use the shared one, and I will change the name first, something like that. And for example, you don't want to use any shared data sources, so you need to click on the embedded one. Here again you need to follow all the steps which we already followed in creating the shared data source. So the same one, right? And but when you create this data source, that data source won't be available for all the RDs because it is a report specific. This is the difference. When you go for a shared data sources, so that data sources will be available for entire project, or you can use those data sources in multiple RDLs. That's the difference. So we will go with the shared one and we'll select this one. Okay, perfectly fine, and we'll say okay. Now we created a data sources and which are pointing to the shared data sources. This is the connection. Now based on this connection, we need to create a data set. So we'll right click on the data set. Here again we have a same option, use a shared data set. If you want to go with a shared data set, just simply select shared, the first one, or if you don't want to use the shared one, then again the same step, then you need to select the data sources. But remember, if you are not using shared data set, then you need to use the data sources basically which is basically report level. So our report level data source is first. Fine, then you need to use all the same step you need to do it. So this is basically just demo for using the shared data sources and shared data set. So I'm just selecting the use shared data set and selecting the first one, then clicking on OK. Fine. Now if I'll come here over the data set section, I can see here previously in the data sets I was not having anything, there was no data set. But right now I can see there is a one data set has been added, and the if I'll expand this data set, I can see the column basically, and the column is company ID. Perfectly fine. Okay, so in this video we talk about how to access the shared data source in a report specific data source. Then we talk about how to use data sources in a data set, basically which are which are report specific data set. So this is the steps we followed, and our initial data set is ready. Hope you guys enjoyed our video related with how to link the data sources to the shared data sources, and then how to link data sets to the data sources at report level. Hope you guys like and enjoyed it. If you guys like and enjoyed our video, please don't forget to share and subscribe with your friend. Also you can comment over the comment section, and thanks for watching.